crazy news. Cook It has just become Fresh Prep. How cool is that? A little bit of rebranding going on with a fun company that I love and support. So Fresh Prep, which you may have known it as Cook It. And what it is a meal prep company that offers meals you can prepare and meals already ready for you. How sweet is that? Hi, I am Linda from A Labor of Life, and today I am going to talk to you about a collaboration I just had with Fresh Prep. I have actually tried both types of their meals. I was sent a few of their very delicious, already prepared meals that all you have to do is take out the salad, pop it in the microwave, plate it, serve it, and you're ready to go. And I've also been sent a few of their tasty meals, and I just have to show you, and down here, it's so cool. So they come already prepared, everything all chopped up and cut up, put in these plastic containers. Meat comes all packaged. I'll show you. Duck down, see the top of my head. Protein comes in little bags. It's all packaged together, delivered to your doorstep, and each week they will come take the cooler bag and the plastic containers away, drop off your new meals, and you are set to go. So let's talk about what we did this week, shall we? So I was sent a few, as I said, a few of their pre-done meals.
Oh, by the way, it's raining.
See, all you have to do is take the film off, take any sauces or salads out, pop it in the microwave, plate it, serve it. Totally delicious. Really enjoyed the ones that we received this week. And then this week we received 2 dinners to try. The Caprese Stuffed Chicken and Vietnamese beef on chilled noodles. And they were so good. Anyway, it shows you here on the package everything that is done in the containers, how it's all cut up for you, lets you know if there's anything else that you need. Literally all we needed was, and this one was Caprese Stuffed Chicken. You're gonna need butter, salt and pepper, medium pot, and a medium oven-proof skillet, and some oil. That was it. And then for the Vietnamese beef, a large pot, salt and pepper, oil, a sieve or strainer, small bowl, medium non-stick skillet. Everything else was all included here. Now I'm going to actually share the full experience of prepping the meals, cooking the meals, and serving the meals. And just a little hint, I'm the one behind the camera, not in front of the camera, because I'm not the chef in our house. Kent is. Anyway, let's go through all the meals and see how it's done. It's so exciting. And unlike a few other services that I've tried in the past, I just want to be clear. Sometimes they say it is a half hour to prep, prepare, and ready to serve. And inevitably, that is not what happens, at least not with us. And Kent's a great cook and preps everything, maybe very meticulous, but he preps. So I always find that they take a lot longer than they say. These ones actually tell you right on. This one's 20 minutes easy. Caprese Chicken was 30 minutes complex. It actually probably took about 35, 38 minutes to prepare. And the Vietnamese beef, probably 20 minutes to cook it, but I'd say it was probably about 10 minutes to get everything out and prepare it too. So, but pretty accurate and pretty tasty. Actually really tasty if you want to know the truth. Really loved them, really enjoyed it. So let's get to it, shall we? So, first time trying a voiceover as Kent is cooking me dinner, but let's get to it, shall we? As you can see, just me being useful. Today we are actually going with the Caprese Stuffed Chicken. So getting the ingredients all ready. Kent has started the pan, adding the oil to the pan. And now we are going to prep the chicken. So we're going to take the chicken breast, drain it, pat it dry, and then we are literally going to slice the chicken in half, just as I said, like a book, without cutting it all the way through. So you're going to want to be able to fold it back over. Anyway, adding salt and pepper to the chicken. It's open, and then we are going to walk it through, and we will be adding the basil and the mozzarella in the center. Then in the meantime, we are prepping our orzo. Just set salt and pepper the chicken, adding half of the basil. He does such a great job, doesn't he? I'm such a great sous chef. Sure I am. I do want to say the fresh prep are truly true to the timing. The portions have been laid out in such a way that it is truly, when it tells you it takes 30 minutes, it actually does take you 30 minutes. So we added the mozzarella to the chicken. Make sure it's even, and then we are going to fold over and close the chicken breast.
Chicken breast is a little different.
And when they're folded properly, we are going to add those into a medium oven-proof skillet on medium-high. FYI, we have actually put 1 teaspoon or a tablespoon of oil in the skillet first, let it heat up, and then we put the chicken in. We're going to cook it for 2 minutes on one side, flip it over, and then we are going to place it in the oven 7 to 10 minutes or until chicken reaches the temperature of 165. Then in the meantime, we're going to chop the remaining basil. And we're going to add it to our orzo. So stepping back a little bit, we didn't see that step, but we have actually heated a tablespoon of oil and the butter in a medium pot over medium. We've added the onion, garlic, and the tomato blend for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring frequently until the onions are softened. And then we're adding 2 cups of water, the crumbled stock cube, the cream, and the orzo, bringing that all to a boil. Reduce the heat, medium, cook for about 4 minutes, and then on low for about 5-6 more minutes, and we are ready to go. I am going to put all of the recipe directions down below so you can see it, but doesn't this just look delicious? It is the perfect dinner for 2. First time trying it, and it was really tasty. Quick tip, you may want to blanch the onions first just so they're not crunchy. There you have it. Fresh prep Caprese Stuffed Chicken, ready to serve. So tasty and good. So how fun was that? Well, that was a lot of fun for me. Just filming and watching Kent prepare a delicious dinner for 2 of us was lovely. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions, just pop it down below. I'll be happy to answer anything. I'll put a link to Fresh Prep down below as well, so you can check them out yourself. Again, it is Linda from A Labor of Life. I love to share food, fashion, and fun, and everything about a boomer's life. So, there you have it. I will see you on the net. Oh, FYI,